Thinking and speaking in English can transform your communication skills. It's not just about vocabulary, it's about immersing yourself in the language. Picture this: instead of translating in your head, you start to think directly in English. This shift opens up a world of fluency and confidence. To achieve this, surround yourself with English. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, and read books. Engage in conversations, even if you make mistakes. Each error is a stepping stone to improvement. Practice speaking out loud, narrating your day or describing your thoughts. Use visualization techniques, imagine scenarios and respond in English. This not only builds your vocabulary but also helps you think faster. Remember, it's a journey. Embrace the process, and soon, you'll find yourself expressing ideas effortlessly, thinking in English as naturally as breathing.